One of the most common questions that has always stood out in the masterclasses that I do to help women start their own business is that how do I have self confidence to start my business? If you are somebody who has a similar question, definitely watch this video till the end because I'm going to tell you exactly how can you have self confidence to start your business in 2020. I'm Harvi Shah, the founder of Bling Bag, an online fashion jewelry store and a woman entrepreneur coach, and I help women convert their passion into a profitable digital business. I agree that self confidence is one of the key ingredients for you to take action and start your business. But the biggest mistake we all do is we keep waiting for self confidence to naturally come to us, not understanding that self confidence is something that you need to build. And in this video, I am going to tell you exactly how can you build your self confidence. According to me, you build your self confidence by using two things. The first thing is by getting clarity. What I mean by this is you need to be absolutely clear in terms of what kind of business can you start based on what you love, what are you good at, and what you are so passionate about. Once you have clarity, you have that conviction that you can start a business and your self confidence starts building. This is more like you going out, starting your car, and then having clarity as to where you want to go. You will be much more confident while driving the car because you know what to do, where to go, and which way to go in order to reach that destination. So, having clarity builds self confidence. The second thing which helps to build self confidence along with clarity is competence. By this, what I mean is you need to have knowledge as to how to do that and how to launch that business. Imagine you go out, you start driving a car without learning how to drive a car. Remember that first time when you had that vehicle in your hand and you did not know how to drive it, you were so not confident about driving it smoothly and you always had that fear that you might make accidents. This is exactly the same. Not having knowledge about how to start a business and how to run it and make it profitable keeps you very low on confidence. But trust me, the moment you know how to run a business, how to start it, how to go and take things forward in your business, you definitely have confidence because you have the knowledge on how to do it. So, clarity and competence, according to me, together when mixed, gives you a lot of self confidence, and then you can close your eyes, just take a step towards starting your business. What do you think about this? I would love to hear your comments in the comments below. And if you are somebody who wants to learn how to start your business and get more clarity on starting your business, I invite you to the free masterclass which I do with women, wherein I help them gain exactly these two things and build more self confidence so that they can confidently start their business in 2020. The link to register in the masterclass is right below this video. So register, see me live, learn, gain clarity, have the knowledge of how to start your business, and then take an action forward. With that said, this is Harvi signing off. See you in my next video. Thank you.